Power supply is on. Where's the chip at? Oh, it's already in there, right? You ready for the chip in there?
Well, folks, how you all doing out there, or YouTube technicians and tinkerers with computers? This is my son Lucas building his first computer. He put an E8200, 4 gigs of RAM on this motherboard right here. It's a little cheap old motherboard. It ain't all that hot. It's all right. Play a few games and stuff. It's not all that motherboard. I got the Boyster that kicks that one's butt, and the Boyster's a cheaper motherboard, but it's kind of faster. I don't know. We're gonna find out. We're gonna put them together, and we're gonna find out which is which. I got an E4700 on the other computer. It was kicking ass last night. And my son was playing Warcraft. What was the name of that one you were playing? What was the name of it?
Warcraft, basically.
But which Warcraft? There's so many Warcrafts.
All of them.
So anyway, he's building it. It's gonna be his first build, and we're gonna see what happens.
You want me to put the fan in?
The fan's in there already.
No, not this one.
You can connect that if you like.
Now we gotta put the video card in there. Well, which one we want to do next? The hard drive, CD-ROM.
We'll take the video card out of the other one and put it in this one.
Out of this one?
Yes. We had the video card in that computer, and we're gonna take it out of that one and put the video card in here. Put the hard drive and attach the CD-ROM, the DVD drive. That's basically it. And we're gonna do some work.
You already trying to